Hello guys, today we're gonna start with basics of Python. First of all, we will know what is IDE. Actually, we use IDE to write our code and run them. So, what is IDE? IDE is Integrated Development Environment in which we write our code and run them. So, there are many types of free IDE are available in our Google or open, which is available open source. Some of popular of them are Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, Pycharm, and Python 3.7, which is official IDE of Python. So today we're gonna start with Google Colab. So here is my Google Drive is already open. Let's start it with again. So search for Google Drive in your search box. Then open it. Then you have to click on the go to drive hyperlink button. Then you will enter to your Google Drive. Then actually it is taking too much time. Here it is loaded. Then click on the new button. Then click more. Here you have to open the Google Colab. You see there is no Google Colab. You have to click on the connect more apps. So click on the connect more apps. You will get this type of, then click on the most popular. As Google Colab is very much popular, more coders are using it. Click on the, here is the Google Collaboratory. Click on it. You have to install it. Continue. Here my Google Colab is installed. Now I can get that in new option. Then more, that is Google Colab. Click on that. Here your Google Colab panel is open. Actually it takes little bit more times, as Google Colab is actually a cloud where all things are stored already, all library. Here you have to rename it. Then you have to click on the connect. Then it will be allocated and it will write connecting. Then you have to change its runtime into GPU, because in GPU it will run in cloud. So click on that, change it into GPU. So here everything is done. Now you can write your code, run them, and easily get your answer and output, and you can also debug easily. So here I have written, here you can see two type of cell, code cell and text cell. Actually in text cell you can write normal text, and in code cell you have to write the code.